Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you guys how to create a new YouTube channel, right? Join me as I a brand new YouTube channel from scratch, and I will show you steps of the way, right? Do you know that over 500 hours of videos content is uploaded to YouTube every minute? Okay, imagine having your own channel with this sea of creativity. Many aspiration content creators struggle with the technicalities and process involved in starting a new YouTube channel, which can be overwhelming. Hey, you will explore step-by-step process, including creating a Google account, setting up your channel, customizing your profile, and understanding YouTube features. You know, YouTube is not all about creating content, opening and uploading content. You have to understand what you are about to start. Okay guys, join me as I take you on the challenge of starting a brand new YouTube channel from scratch. In this video, you will learn how to create a new YouTube channel from scratch, providing you with the essential steps to get started. Okay, many aspiring content creators struggle with the technicalities and process involved in starting a new YouTube channel, which can be overwhelming. The thought of creating a Google account, setting them up, and understanding YouTube features can be daunting. However, with the right guidance, it can be a seamless process. That's why I am here for you. Okay, that's why I'm here for you. I'm here to break it down for you, okay, in the simple ways, easy to follow the steps. Don't worry if you are not familiar with the technical side of the things. I have got you covered. By the end of this video, you will be confident to open your own YouTube channel, right? Creating a YouTube channel is not just about setting up an account and uploading. It requires a clear understanding of how the platform works, yes, and how you can optimize your content. That one is a video of its own. I will do a video concerning optimizing, because when you optimize your video, it will wider audience, right? Without this knowledge, you may struggle to get your channel off the ground. That's just the truth. Okay? But don't worry, we will explore all the essential steps to get you started. The first step in creating a YouTube channel is to create a Google account, right? If you have a Google account, no need for this first step. But if you are new in Google, we will walk through the steps together. You get that? We will walk through the steps together. I will show you how to create a Google account specifically for your YouTube channel. There is no two ways about it, okay? There is no two ways about it. You also learn how to add description to your channel and create a constant look across all your social media platform. Okay, so in this video you are going to not just to create an account. I'm going to teach you how to optimize it, how to add description, as in that part is very, very important in YouTube. Whenever you're creating a YouTube channel, make sure to add description on that channel, because it's that description that will tell YouTube algorithm what and how the channel works, so that any video you drop on that channel, the YouTube algorithm will help to recommend the video to other people, to a larger audience. Okay guys, let's dive into what we have for today. I'm going to share with you how you're going to create your new YouTube channel. So what you need to do is just go to your YouTube. You can see this place, they say, in case you have YouTube channel before or you don't have YouTube channel before, when you come to YouTube, you're going to see where they write switch account. Click to the switch account. Now go to the plus button. When you go to the plus button, you click on it, you will now unlock your screen. So you will see this surface that say sign in with your Google account, learn more about using your account. Then you see this place, email or phone. Then just go ahead and type on this create account. Then it will bring this surface that said for my personal use, for work, or my business. So go ahead and click on for my personal use. Then put in your name, Beauty Empire. Okay, Beauty Empire. Okay, let me just use this name, Beauty Empire. Okay guys, so this is the name. Okay, the last name here is optional. You can add it, it's not mandatory that you add this vacant here. Just go ahead and click next. So after clicking next, just choose dates. You can choose any date, your date of birth. Choose your date of birth, your month of birth, your date of birth, your year of birth. Okay, so put your gender. You can put female. If you're a male, if you're a man, you can put man, but if you're a woman, you can put female. Okay, click on next. Then choose your Gmail address. So in this place, you're going to choose your email. Either you choose any of this one they put for you here, or you create your own Gmail address. Okay, but in this video I will just choose this option number 1, Beauty Empire 517@gmail.com. okay, I'll just go ahead and click on this first option. I will choose the next button. Then this will I'll just create my password. After creating your password, so go ahead and go through all this thing. Okay, let's just take, for instance, we read, if you like, you can add these phone numbers to your account for use across Google services. So if you read all these things, just go ahead and click yes, I'm in. So it will bring you to this surface where it said review account info. You can use this email address to sign in later. So this email address that I use here, so this is the email address that I'm going to use to sign into this particular account. Okay, what we're going to do next is, I've already viewed, the name is Beauty Empire, the email address is Beauty Empire. Okay, or just use any name that that you're using for anything that you want to create. Then go ahead and also use your email address, the one that I've not used for another YouTube channel before. Just go ahead and use it. Okay, the next thing you need to do is click on next. So this is our terms, privacy and terms. So you're going to read this thing. So after reading this thing, all this, their terms and conditions, go ahead and click I agree. So we are trying to create a new YouTube channel. Okay. Okay guys, so if you come here, you are going to see it among all this one that is here. So you're going to see Beauty Empire. So when you bring this surface again, what you're going to do is tap on it for you to now create your channel. Okay, so when you tap on it, it will bring it to this surface. Click on you, that's Beauty Empire. So this is you here, this is the channel here. Click on the channel, this is the name. So in this place, on create channel. Okay, tap on create channel. Channel created. Yes, so after tapping on that, it will now bring this that say channel created. All right, so you still come here again and click on this again. As you can see, this is the new channel that we just created, Beauty Empire. So what we're going to do next is make sure you set them up. You set this channel up very well. So put your photo, see where you can edit. So this is where you can put your photo. If you want to put your photo, anything that you want to use as a profile picture, click on this place to put your profile picture. Then anything that you want to edit, click here. This is your handle at Beauty Empire P1G. Okay, this is my handle. Now this is the channel URL. As you can see, this is the channel URL. I can copy it. Now this is another place. This place is very, very important. When you are creating your new YouTube channel, please and please don't forget to add your description. It is very, very important. Description in the sense that that thing that you want to be doing on that particular channel, make sure that you write them here boldly. If you want to be, maybe you want to be teaching make money online, or you want to be doing comedy, or you want to be doing vlogs, or anything that you want to be doing on the channel that you just created or you are creating, make sure that you add the description here. It's very, very important. This description box is very, very important. This description box will help YouTube algorithm to pick up your channel, and anytime you post that thing, that particular thing, anytime that you post a video and the video related to what you add as a description, it will be easier for YouTube algorithm to carry your video and show to many people. Okay, so this space is very, very important. Make sure while editing your channel that you add your description very well. Whatsoever that you want to do, anything at all that you want to be doing, if it's dancing, if it's singing, if it's cooking, if it's anything that you want to be doing on YouTube, make sure that you put all of them on this description box. Okay, all right guys, that is for that. So, and one thing again that I want to let you know is that make sure after creating your YouTube channel, please, if you don't have a laptop, maybe you're using your phone for it, contact somebody that has laptop for a proper setup. Okay, contact somebody that has laptop for a proper setup, so that immediately you start posting on that channel, it will start counting. Okay, all right guys, thank you for watching this video. I love you all. In case you have any question, drop in comment section, for I will be there to answer all of your questions. Thank you.